Hi, I'm Kevin Bloch, I'm the CTO for the region, and what I want to talk to you about is our role in EMC Inform, which is occurring in Sydney tomorrow, and we actually ran an event in Melbourne. And the EMC Inform, for the first time, is highlighting a keynote that includes VMware, EMC, as well as Cisco on stage at the same time. And the purpose of that keynote is to outline our partnership and our value to the customer in terms of the technologies that we've built together. And my role in that keynote is to explain Cisco's innovation in the context of what we're doing with EMC, VMware, cloud computing, and data center at scale. And really what I talk about are three things. First of all, in terms of our innovation with unified fabric and how we're enabling customers to converge their systems, their storage into one fabric and save a ton of money. Secondly, we talk about the virtual switch in the context of VMware and where they're going with vSphere. And thirdly, we talk about unified computing system, which has generated an enormous amount of interest. I wrap up with presenting some view of our roadmap and our vision for, as I said, data center at scale and cloud computing. The one thing that people ask me a lot is what are the benefits of some of the things we're announcing, and I mention and I give an example of a situation where a client has 320 servers. The kind of costs that they can expect with UCS, Unified Computing System, is in the order, in terms of CapEx, of a 43% cost saving. In terms of cabling, going down from 4,500 cables to about 500 in a typical configuration. So I'm really excited about this for a few reasons. First of all, this is the first time in history that a network company is really getting into the IT industry. Secondly, we're talking about genuine innovation here. This is not marketing. There's some really strong technology breakthroughs that have been made through UCS and our partnership in particular with VMware. And it's that partnership too that is truly innovative, a model not only for our industry but I think the entire industry. And of course all of that has created an enormous amount of interest. Hi, so I'm actually at the EMC Inform. We've just given the keynote, and one of the things I really wanted to mention as well, and I bring this out in the keynote, and that is a Goldman Sachs survey that was undertaken May 7th. And they went to the top 100 IT executives of the Fortune 1000 companies and asked them what did they think about Cisco Unified Computing System and the adoption within their premises. And would you believe 90% said they would entertain looking at Cisco UCS within the next 2 years. A full 18% said they would evaluate Cisco UCS in the next 12 months. And less than 20%, can you believe it, less than 20% said that they are comfortable with their existing vendor. In other words, 80% of people will be interested in looking at an alternative service provider. What do you think?